How to change your iPhone time zone manually. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Guide Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can change your time zone manually from any iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video. So now to set the time zone manually, simply go and open up the settings app from your device and then scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on date and time, and from here you'll get to see that it's selected with the set automatic. So just need to toggle off this option, and here it's going to show you that you can manually change the time zone from here. If I tap on this one, you just need to search with the time zone that you want. So let's say I'm going to type in New York and just go ahead and select this one. And most likely your time zone will be changed, but if you want to manually change the date and time, you can tap on this date option right over here. You can set the date and also you can set the time as well. And this is how you can change your iPhone time zone manually. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.